All right, welcome to week 15, module 15. We only have a couple more weeks left, and then we're done. If you remember, we were going to have a workshop last week for essay number 3, but I moved it because it was like a holiday weekend and I wanted you guys to enjoy it. So we're going to start the week off with workshop for essay number 3. This is going to be due on Monday. Monday night, you have to turn this in if you want peer reviews, if you want to have the opportunity to do peer reviews. This workshop's going to be a little bit different because the peer reviews, the credit that you get for it is going to be extra credit. I'm giving you an opportunity for making up previous peer reviews that you may have missed. So, in order to get the peer reviews, and there's not going to be an exception on this, you have to get your essay turned in by Monday night. Tuesday morning, if you have your essay turned in, you will receive 2 essays from peers, which you'll have the rest of the week to review. So that's the plan. You've had an extra week. You still get 20 points per page. It's a 5-page essay. That's 100 points. And that's how many points this is worth. But if you do those 2 peer reviews, you'll get 150 points. That's called extra credit. All right, moving on. We have a primary source, the College of Alfred and Larry. This is satire. Just letting you know straight up front, it's satire. So we're looking at that in that context. We do have an assignment on the College of Alfred and Larry. That is a 200-point assignment. That is a lot of fun. And then we have bell hooks, my favorite, one of my favorites, for some textual analysis for our Trailblazer. And then I'm giving you the Frankenstein prompt. This is essay number 4. This is going to be due on the very last day of class. We will not have a workshop for the Frankenstein prompt. This is going to be due in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It's the very last day of class, the very last thing you're going to be turning in. And this one's building off the Promethean assignment. That was something that I graded last week, so you did 2 weeks ago. In that one, I asked you to explore, in Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, the Promethean theme in light of a modern context. And I asked for a resourced definition of the Promethean theme. That was scaffolding. That was something that was going to help you in writing this essay because you have to utilize resources. You can't just look it up and then drop it in there like you knew it already. You want to build up your ethos and utilize resources, scholarly resources. So don't hit me with Webster's dictionary. Find something that's amazing, that you're proud of, that builds up your ethos and will help you out on this. So you have the prompt right now. I'm giving it to you so you can start thinking about it, mapping it out, procrastinating. Pre-writing, whatever you need to do on this prompt in order to make this thing sing. I will have an office hour on Tuesday and Wednesday if you'd like to discuss this or anything in the class. And I'm also available via email. So let's have a fantastic week. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.